Good morning, friends. This is Sanjay Nirgurkar, and you are watching Safety Sanjay official channel. The purpose of this preparation of this channel is that the safety has not been percolated up to the ground level of workers. And the basic intention is that they must know the basic thing in an industry to avoid major disaster in industry. Now, what is our topic today? Today is our topic, that is static electricity. Why static electricity generating? Static electricity generates when any hydrocarbon family member flows through a rubber hose. Then you may ask me one question, that why they are, that is not through by water, because the hydrocarbon family members are flammable and static electricity generates and it ignites immediately and the disasters are taking place. What type of disasters are taking place in industry? Let us understand that. One is fires, major fires, then total property damage, environment losses, burning of multiple tons of chemicals, and human losses, human life losses, which is a very important factor to be eliminated. Because of this, I found this is the first video I must transfer to the people through my YouTube channel. Now, why this? How it is taking in industry and everywhere also. Industry, they are having lot of chemicals are coming. Those are flammable. So those are the hydrocarbon family members. Then your gas, LPG gas, propane gas are being used in engineering industry for heat treatment, foundries and other areas. For that, they are also family members of the hydrocarbon family members. Because of this, the fires are taking place. Why fires are taking place? Try to understand things in a very short. When any hydrocarbon family members flow through a rubber hose, it generates a static electricity. Then what? Because of that, there is no metal in the hoses. Our hoses are rubber hoses. So there is no metal in that. It generates two polarity. One is positive on one corner and one is negative charge on another corner. And because of that, the fires are taking place and major disasters are taking place. The disasters are like fire, explosion, then total burning of humans also, which is very important. Very important because they are the main running the industry. Now, if you'll ask this, why the what you are talking about the channels? Now, what we can make the change or what we can do to eliminate this? There are braided hoses available which are containing the wires. So automatically the two ends of the hoses will remain, which are connecting to the mobile tanker and uh, storage tank in industry. That will be done through a wires provided inside the braided hoses, and the polarity remains same by eliminating static two different charges generation and the major fires and disasters explosion. Now another part I have seen in our industry, that the mobile tankers are coming and people are spraying water on it for cooling. What is the cooling? Because there is no cooling. But because of the hydrocarbons are light in weight, so the density of hydrocarbons almost all are less than water and it floats and it spreads the fire everywhere. So don't do that if you're doing that today. Stop it today immediately. Now, how we can avoid the fires? Many industries are using green color of hoses 4 inches diameter, PVC, and another thread braided hoses, which are not of any more use, and the property of hydrocarbon family member remains same and the fire will be there because it is as good as a rubber hose. No change in its polarities and other things. So, what precaution we should take? One is that use of braided hoses, which are available in the market in a plenty and different sizes, which will be used for draining the chemicals in industry inside the shops, then draining from mobile tanker to your storage tank there, and that is with the couplings also to avoid any spillage or any leakage from the tankers both ends. Okay, then if you are loading chemical in the a kettle where you have to mix that with powder, then at that time you have to do provide one two crocodile clams and one wire in between, so that will keep the polarity of the chemical drum as well as kettle positive, and then there will be no fire as such. Now we are going to talk about one more question, that how the kettle will be drained out. Kettle is in a company in a manufacturing process, and as per the law, they provide all kettles are bonded or rather earthed properly. They are connected with the earth pits of the company, and thus the generated static drains out immediately. These are the things we can do by simply eliminating the major fires in any industry. Okay, friends, now this is the topic of the today. Please, if you like this channel, please like it, then share your views, and if you like this channel, subscribe it. Thank you very much.